Well, we are on the move this morning along US 41 in southern Hillsborough County. Starting today, you can expect more delays than normal as crews rip up the road.
Yeah, and it's going to take a few more months before that bumpy ride is made pothole-free. News Channel 8's Corey Davis joins us now live along 41, just south of the Palm River Clare Mill area. Good morning, Corey.
Hey, good morning, Gil and Melissa. We've already made our way down to Gibsonton Avenue. I want to give you a look here at our live road cam. This area gets so congested. You can already see all these headlights heading toward us. They're heading north into the county. But I also can tell you, too, with all of this congestion and the construction cones that you see along the roads, drivers should expect delays and lane closures all day, at least until Saturday. I want to give you a look at where we are. The purple line on this map shows you just exactly the area that I'm talking about here. Crews are repaving a 5-mile stretch of 41 between Denver Street and Bullfrog Creek. They've been at it since November, but not only repaving, they're also putting in turn lanes, traffic signals, and more lighting. And a big part of this includes ripping out the road near Pendola Point and Port Sutton roads and replacing it with concrete to better handle all of the heavy truck traffic in this area. I want to show you a few changes to keep in mind as well this week. There will be lane closures all day, every day through Saturday, and those are from Pendola Point to Port Sutton roads. Also, the southbound lanes will have closures on 41 between Gibsonton Drive and Palm Avenue. Crews will be installing sidewalks from Denver to Dover streets through Saturday as well. So a live look here back at our road cam. We're just crossing the intersection of Palm Avenue here on US 41. A big thing to keep in mind, along with those 24-hour lane closures, is that we will have rush hour traffic on top of that all week through Saturday. So a whole lot of adjustments to make. And as this project makes its way throughout the end of the year, I can tell you it's going to wrap up late this year. Back to you.
Yeah, and once it does, it'll be so much better for commuters. But for now, it's going to create some traffic headaches. All right, thanks, Corey.